So while we're over here, we're going to check our primary chain tension. On this Softail, we got a little access window right here. It's the same on the Dynas too. But we're also going to take a T27 Torx bit, take that thing off and see what's going on with the primary chain.
Once you get in there, I'll move this camera closer.
Yeah. Don't lose your gasket. So you want to check your chain tension here, and you're looking for about 3/8 to 5/8 of slop on this. And that's sitting in pretty good shape.
Go ahead.
If you do need to adjust it, you'll loosen this bolt up here, and then you can actually move the tensioner puck that's down below up and down to set your primary chain tension.
Okay.
You don't want to go too tight because you want to leave a little room for expansion. Also, if it's too loose, it'll make your bike shift weird. But this one's in really good condition. Now we're just going to reinstall our cover. So put your long screw in the top and put our other long screw in the 3 o'clock position. Start those in there. And of course, your 2 small screws in 9 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Tighten them up evenly and then torque it to spec.